Welcome guys. Let's do skill token technical analysis and price prediction for 2021, and let me please show you my chart and my target for this token. So please watch this video until end and please subscribe my YouTube channel, join me on Telegram and Twitter. Links are in this video's description. And if you want to get $4,300 bonus of Pmax, Binance and Bybit exchanges, links are in this video's description and comment section. Just go to in this video's comment section where you can get a pin message and these links. Click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can get these bonuses which are tradable and which are withdrawable too. Let's dive into the content and let me please show you my targets. Actually, Crypto Blade Skill is a gaming token. You can collect this token by playing games, and current price of this token is $56, and it was I will show you the all-time high price. Let me please show you the circulating supply. Circulating supply of this token is just 603,000 only, and total supply of this token is 1 million, and that is very less supply. That is why this token is very important. Market cap of this token is $33 million, and 24-hour trading volume of this token is 10 million. And let me please show you some other statistics, and this is the chart, and here you can see let me please convert it into maximum chart, and this is the maximum chart. On Sunday 9 May 2021, the price of this token was just $5, and after that price goes to above $200. And no, let me please show you all-time high and all-time low. All-time high of this token was on July 24, 2021, and the price was $184 about 1 month ago. And all-time low of this token was on July 4, 2021, and the price was just 69 cents. And here you can see after some days price was 184 days. That is why this token is very important, and I will show you my targets. This token is available on BK Exchange, Max Global, and PancakeSwap, and some other important exchanges. And if you want to earn this bonus, then please links go to in this video's comment section where you can get these links. Let's dive into the content, and let me please show you my targets. This is Crypto Blade Skill token chart, and this chart is not available on TradingView. This chart is available on PooCoin app, and I will give you the link of PooCoin in this video's description. Let me please show you some the chart and price target for this token. And this is 4-hourly chart, and here you can see skill slash BNB. Actually price is in dollars, but here you can see it is written on skill BNB, but price is in the dollars. How can, let me please show you. Here you can see on CoinGecko chart price is $56, and in PooCoin price is just 53, near about same price. And if I show you the price of WSG token, I was just show you because I want to clear the thing that the price is showing you is in USDT, not in BNB, but here is written WSG BNB, and this is actually this price is in USDT. Here you can see the price 0.00000078, and if I write this and if I search WSG token, in that case you can see the price. Here you can see 0.000000 and 78, same price. This price is in USDT, not in BNB. And let me please show you skill token chart. Sorry for this, but I want to clear this thing. You just have to type skill on search bar, and after that crypto skill chart will appear in front of you. Here you can see this chart is 4-hourly chart, and here you can see, let me please zoom this and let me please arrange this chart for you. These are the tools, and let me please do this. And if you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and join me on Telegram and Twitter. Links are in this video's description. Here you can see in PooCoin chart price was $205, and after that price is at $54, And let me please show you first of all the 4 hour. This is 4 hour chart. If I draw a line, a horizontal line, let me please show you. This horizontal line is the previous resistance area, $60. Once once skill token CryptoBlades break this area, in that case next target will be let me please show you some resistance and price targets. In that case next target will be this. Once it broke $50, next target is $75. After that next target is this area, $106. After that next target is this area, $134. After that 154, and last level is this, 181 and $205. These are the levels you have to watch, and watch it very, very carefully. And let me please show you in bigger screen. Here you can see these are the levels you have to wait. Once CryptoBlade skill token break this $60 resistance area, next target is $75. After that $106 is the target. It is currently available in bottom price and in very low price, and this is the time to buy this token. This is not a financial advice, but this is my technical knowledge that I am sharing with you. And let me please share this chart. Let me please show you one thing very, very clearly. This area is very important, $60. Once it break this, in that case next target, if I calculate the support and resistance base, in that case let me please zoom this. Let me please show you the next target. In that case the next target will be like this, and it is at $90. Once it breaks $60, $75. After that $90 is the target. These are the targets I have to show you. You have to watch these levels. And let me please arrange this chart again, and let me please note down these levels. I want to delete this chart. No, I have to show you daily chart. After that I will tell you my target for 2021. Here you can see from top to bottom, if I calculate, it price decreases 87%, and now it is at price decreases 75%. At the current price the correction is about 75%, and it is very huge correction. And I think once it break this area, and let me please again draw some levels on daily chart, because this chart is not available on TradingView. That is why I am facing some difficulty to show you, but I think you will not mind this thing. $62 in daily chart is the first target. After that $90, same target. After that this area $122, this area $160, this area $175, and this area $205, and you can say $206. And these are the targets. And let me please show you this thing. According to the support and resistance base, if I calculate this, the immediate short-term target, if I calculate, the target will be like this. Let me please show you. I want to draw this line, and I want to show you. Let me please arrange this chart, because this chart is not available on TradingView. This chart is available on PooCoin app, and I will give you the link of PooCoin in this video's description. This will be the target once it breaks $62 or $60 resistance area. In that case, price can hit this zone, and it is at $103 price area. Let me please change the color of this. This is the target, and I think this is the next immediate short-term target for this token. Please note down. Sorry for that. I'm very sorry for that. Please note down these levels, and let me please show you in wide screen. Here you can see these are the levels. Once it break $62 area, in that case $90 and $104 is our minimum target. It is very near to break this strong resistance area, and volume is coming. Here you can see volume is coming. Once it break this area, in that case $104 is the target. And let me please show you my target for 2021 right now. If you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, and please share this video with all of your friends, and please like this video too. If I draw this from bottom to top, and after that this is sorry for that, this is not right tool. I'm very much sorry for that. This is the right tool. If I draw this from bottom to top, this is the fib retracement, and it is trend tool and fib retracement trend tool, and here you can see it is at in the bottom, available in bottom price. And let me please show you in a bigger picture. Here you can see I have to hide this. Now here you can see it is in this it is at the bottom price right now, and once it break this area, $75 area, and it is 0.23. In that case, next target is 0.38. The price will be 104, the same price I mentioned. Here you can see, and next area is 0.5 fib retracement area, and price will be will go to $125. And after that, the golden pocket 150. It is at 0.61, and price will be 151. What is the target? Let me please zoom this. I think this token can easily hit this area, $350 to $400 area. This is the target for this token for 2021. Maybe it can break $500, but I think this area is very important, 1.61 fib retracement level, and it is at $350 to and next zone is $550. The price target of this token is $350 to $400 is the price target for 2021. I think $400, maybe $450 this token can hit, but my price target range is $350 to $400 price area, and maybe $450. These are my last words. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and please like this video, and please share this video with all of your friends. And this is the target. According to the technicalities, 2.6 area will be the target, $560. But I think 400 is very realistic target. $350 to $400 is very realistic target for this token, and this is the target for 2021. I think it can hit this zone, and it can hit this target, I think so. And if you like this video, friends, please share this video with all of your friends. And this is my target. Sorry for that. This will be my target, $350 to $450 to $460, maybe. This is the target. This is my target, final target. Sorry for that. This is the target. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.